The srnubi 10.26 Cam 4K car mirror video player, available on Aliexpress, redefines the driving experience with its innovative features and advanced functionalities. Serving as a multifunctional car monitor, this device seamlessly integrates essential components such as a dash camera, multimedia player, GPS navigation, and rearview camera, offering convenience, safety, and entertainment on the road. Let's explore its key features in detail. One of the standout features of the srnubi Cam is its ability to support various connectivity options, including FM, OSPK, and Bluetooth 5.0. The addition of Bluetooth output audio to the car audio system ensures stable and high-quality sound transmission. This feature is particularly beneficial for users whose vehicles may not have optimal audio functionality, providing an alternative method for audio playback with improved reliability and sound fidelity. The srnubi Cam prioritizes safety and convenience on the road. The inclusion of a rearview camera provides drivers with enhanced visibility and awareness of their surroundings, aiding in parking, reversing, and maneuvering in tight spaces. Furthermore, the device's large 10.26 display serves as a comprehensive car mirror and multimedia player, offering a clear and detailed view of the road ahead while also providing entertainment options for passengers. The srnubi 10.26 Cam 4K car mirror video player offers a comprehensive solution for modern drivers, combining essential features such as dash camera recording, multimedia playback, GPS navigation, and rearview monitoring into a single, multifunctional device. With its emphasis on connectivity, safety, convenience, and integration with popular smartphone platforms, the srnubi Cam enhances the driving experience while prioritizing user comfort and peace of mind on the road.